Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited that you have joined me. I am making salmon and roasted vegetables, which are amazing, and I'm so excited to share it with you because I know that you, probably like me, are working on trying to be a little bit more healthy, eating a little bit more healthy right now because of what just happened over the holidays, which if you're like me, what happened was that we had just a little bit too much cookies, just a little bit too much peanut brittle, a little bit too much fudge, and there you go. Now it's time to get back on track, and I'm super excited to show you how to do it. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Holly. Hi, let me see. I saw some other ones and I'm passing you guys up. Jennifer, Erin, Lori, Erica. Let me see. Who was my first one? Brenda, I see you. Okay. Hi, another Lori. Okay, you guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am going to check my fire here. Here's what I have in my cast iron skillet. Olive oil. That's it. I have salmon fillets right here. I'm going to put these salmon fillets in the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to turn it down. It really doesn't need to be sizzling that much. We don't want to fry the salmon. We're just going to cook the salmon in the olive oil. And these are fresh. This is a fresh salmon that Eddie just went and got at the grocery store for me, so you guys can get this too. Hi, Barbara. Hi, Brian. Hi, Jana. Hi, Tina. Okay, so here's what we do. Low to medium heat. You put your olive oil in. When you see your olive oil just get a little wavy looking from the sides, you can kind of see the olive oil getting a little wavy. That's when you want to put your salmon in. Now, there's really no true, I can't say 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I can't give you a certain time. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to watch the salmon until it gets white, halfway up the middle. That's when you're going to flip it. Remember that. When your salmon gets white, halfway up in the middle, that's when you're going to flip it. Now, what I have made on the side, you can kind of see right here. I can't touch this pan because it just came out of the oven. But what I have here is onions, frozen green beans, and radishes that I chopped in 4, so they're bite-sized. Okay, I had some pretty big radishes. I just cut them into 4 pieces. Does that sound crazy or what? I think it sounds crazy. Who would have thought green beans, radishes, and onion together? Well, guess who thought of it? That would be me, Patty. It's awesome. It's amazing. Thank you, Ed. Eddie's helping me. It is so good. Okay, roasting vegetables in the oven is seriously like so good. You will not believe it. Here's what I did. I put my green beans in. Okay, first of all, frozen green beans. You rinse them in a colander. Then I take a paper towel and I pat them dry and put them in the pan. And then I sprinkled some garlic right over the top, just the dry, dehydrated garlic pieces. I sprinkled that over the top. I diced up an onion, put that in, and then I had 2 bunches of radishes that I chopped in 4s, put that in, drizzle olive oil over it, salt and pepper, then kind of toss it around with a fork. In the oven it goes for 45 minutes on 375. You guys, if you have not tried this, you totally need to try it. Onions and radishes with the green beans are good, okay? It's amazing. Green beans by itself with olive oil in the oven, roasted, amazing. I'm not joking. You need to try this. It gives a new twist to the old like green beans for dinner kind of thing. Okay, so this is getting close to halfway. I'm so excited, you guys. Hi, Summer. Hi, Amy. And Jessica, I see you. last week I made a beef soup, vegetable beef soup, and it was amazing. And I was going to get it up on my website, but I didn't get it up there until today. So I want you guys to know that the vegetable beef soup is up on my website, and I will put a link because it is so cold here. I seriously cannot get warm. Just raise your hand if you're living here in Oklahoma with me, because I'm like, oh my goodness, cannot get warm. It's crazy. I have both fireplaces going, and I literally am like gravitating from one to another. I just go stand in front of one and get in front of the other and get my back super hot and then go do what I need to do. Yes, Summer, I have a website. It's pattyplunk.com. That's it, pattyplunk.com. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Omar. Hi, Aaron. So yes, you can go to my website, and actually I have the link right here for the vegetable beef soup in this post. So here's the thing. You comment and share, and this week you're going to go in a drawing to win a Pioneer, or not a Pioneer Woman. Every week I do Pioneer Woman, but right now Pioneer Woman has been out of her Dutch ovens and her casserole dishes for 2 weeks. So this week, I am going to give away a Lodge cast iron skillet, just like what you see right here. So comment and share to go in a drawing to win this cast iron skillet. I love cast iron, and you see it hanging behind me on my fireplace. This skillet right here gets used at my house every day. Okay, it is time to flip the salmon. So I'm just going to flip it over just like this. This is so good and so good for you. I'm trying to be careful here because I don't want it to fall apart or splash the olive oil like I just did. Okay, so here's what we're going to do now to finish it off. We are going to take some butter. We're going to put some butter on each piece of salmon and then salt and pepper, and that's it. That is it. And it's so good and so healthy for you. So here we go. Just a pat of butter right there, like that. We'll put one right here and one right here. So just like this. And now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Hi, Lisa. Thank you. Brandy, I see you. I might have missed somebody. It's hard to see. The comments kind of roll in a hurry. Whitney said something. Yes, Whitney, you need to try the vegetable beef soup. The vegetable beef soup is so good. You will love it. Hi, Becca. Okay, salt and pepper. If you follow me, you know that this is my favorite salt, Celtic sea salt. This is what our doctor told us to get and use. And now I have a little piece of butter that my little butter is falling off over here. My salmon's like made a little hill and my butter is sliding down the hill, and I really don't want it to do that. Okay, salt, just like that. Our doctor says that Celtic sea salt is so good for you, and so that's why we use it. Now, coming in with some pepper, just like this. It's smelling amazing. Hi, Jenny. Hi, sweet Jenny. Love my 50-year-old. Oh my goodness, Tina, you're just 50 years old. I don't honestly know how old this one is. My mom gave it to me, but I mean, this cooks almost my everything. In the mornings, we do bacon and sausage in this, and I mean, it just is so wonderful. And so when you comment and share, I'm going to make sure that I get you a seasoned one. So I am going to get you a really good cast iron skillet. Now, really, I'm trying to keep this one thing of butter. All we're really waiting now for is the butter to melt because this salmon is really done. And if I would have had my butter at room temperature, this butter would have already been melted, but it's not. So, okay. The vegetable beef soup is on my website. The link is right here in the post. And what else? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I almost forgot about that. I have been just so excited about this new year. I really believe that this year is going to be amazing and way better than last year. So I have a lot of excitement about the new year. And also, I just want to say that, hi, Kenny, I see you. I just want to say that I wish you all the best in this new year and tell you, you know, I come here because I'm truly passionate about my family. And next week, I'm going to have a surprise guest on with me, and you are going to love her. And I cannot wait to share that with you. But, you know, family time and, you know, been working and setting goals. That's what I've been doing lately. And it's just been a great time of rest. And of course, putting up Christmas decorations. I cannot stand that. It's so fun to put your Christmas decorations out. Am I right? Because you're looking forward to putting out your Christmas decorations and looking forward to Christmas. And then when you have to put your Christmas decorations up, it's like, what? I have to put all this up, and what am I looking forward to? I literally wanted to just bawl my eyes out on New Year's Day when I got up and I knew, like, today is my day. Today is the day I'm going to take all this down. And I was just like, but I got it done. Eddie helped me. It was great. I think Eddie's here. I don't know. I thought he came in, and I think he went back out. Okay, so the salmon is done, you guys. I am going to put this, well, not this plate, because this is the one that I had the raw salmon on. Let's see here. Get a fork. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm so excited to have you here. And I can't wait to see you next week when I have my guest with me. So here we go. I'm going to put this on a plate. And normally Eddie's here to taste it for me, but he has got someone that came over. So he's outside. He just ran outside. Somebody just came here. Okay, look at these vegetables, you guys. I don't know if you can see it very well, but they look so good. Look at that. Simply amazing. And simply is what I want you to remember, because this is like so easy to do. You just saw how fast this went together, and it's so healthy for you. Salmon is like amazing. Look, I love the hearts, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. I'm like looking for my fork. Okay, so I'm going to take a bite and tell you what I think. Ooh, it's tender. So see, we did not fry the salmon. We just kind of cooked the salmon. It's hot. Oh my goodness. This is so good, you guys. Okay. I just want to say, I'm here because I'm passionate about my family, and I truly am honored to have you join me. This is the highlight of my week. It is so fun to have you hang out with me in my kitchen. And I really want to help you. Hi, Liz. I see you, and I see all your hearts. I really want to help you make your home your favorite place to eat and your favorite place to be. And I'm just so thankful that you came here to join me. And I can't wait to see you next week. And I'll have my surprise guest here. So you guys, comment and share. I'm going to give away a cast iron skillet that you are going to love. I promise you, you will be like, wow, I love this. So from my home to yours, from my heart to yours, thank you for hanging out and joining me. And I will see you next week. Eddie just walked in the door. Come here, Ed. You just got busy. Yes, you're right on time. I just want Eddie to taste it so you guys know that I'm not the only one that loves this. Okay. Taste the salmon. Your hat is wet. Look at that. It is raining here. Crazy cold and raining. It's good, isn't it?
Girl, that is like
amazing.
That's better than mine.
I know.
Show them what I have.
I don't even want to show them what you have. Eddie
I have to go get salmon, and so at the seafood place, and
okay, you can show them. Eddie goes and gets me salmon, and then comes home with something that I think is like incredibly like disgusting, and he loves it. So now you guys are getting ready to see.
Just already some shelled oysters.
Yeah.
Raw oysters.
Yeah.
But hers is better, so.
Yes, it's better.
I'm gonna put them up. And
are you kidding me right now? Like, I don't think I could even try to put that raw oyster in my mouth. Like when we were in New Orleans, we went to this place where they grilled them, and I probably could have tried that, but I don't know so much. Good. Okay, so thank you guys. I love you all. I'm excited that you got here just in time.
Man,
and you guys, stay safe. Have a great week. It's cold, it's winter, but you know what? On the inside of our house and on the inside of yours, it's warm and it's nice. So enjoy your evening. I love you guys. See you next week. Thanks for hanging out. Bye. There we go. See ya.